Hello everyone, welcome to the Smart Scale Marketing YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to talk about an interesting topic, text-based video editing. So you all would have been hearing lately about this term. If you haven't, this is the video where I'll explain what text-based video editing is and how it can be used, and also introduce you to many of the tools that are now available in the market to try this new form of editing. So as many of you would know, traditionally video editing has happened through a timeline, something like this. So if you have to remove something, you have to work through the timeline. And for many, it's very intimidating to work through the timeline. So that's why a new way of editing the videos has come, that is text-based video editing. What it essentially means is you take your video file and put it into an editor that supports text-based video editing. The editor would generate a transcript of that video, and then you can make the edits through the with the help of that transcript. That's why text-based video editing is also called transcript-based video editing. So for example, this is Capting, a tool that supports text-based video editing. And many of the existing video editing software and are now editing text-based video editing as an option for editing many of the video. Now, you might be wondering where text-based video editing can be used. So it cannot be used everywhere. There are certain kind of videos that really work well with text-based video editing. So the types of videos that can benefit the most from text or transcription based video editing include video podcasts, basically videos with a lot of spoken content that can be transcribed. So interviews, live videos, talking head videos, presentations, and vlogs. All these video format can be very well edited using a good text-based video editing software. So as you can check out here, this video get transcribed, and now when the person removes something, it get cut in the timeline also. So this becomes very intuitive. So here you can see this screenshot where the person is selecting the piece of text that they want to remove. First, you can notice the green part. It gets selected in both the areas. When you remove it from here, it gets removed from here. So now you can basically edit your video like editing a document, right? So basically, this is a three-step process where typically how various text-based video editing software would work. You upload the video file, it gets converted into a transcript. And now with advancement in AI technology, this audio to text transcription is becoming pretty accurate. And then you edit the video through that text-based interface. So Adobe Premiere Pro also added text-based video editing as a feature to their platform. And they have this help guide where they explain what it can do. And they are going to add many more features in the future. So as you can see, you transcribe the source media and then you work through that. So let's see. It generates a transcript, and you can also add speaker labels if multiple people are talking, like in a podcast. So you add that. Now you have the raw transcript available with you. Let's check out this video. As you can see here, once the transcript is generated with all the speaker labels, now you can work through this transcript. So it feels so easy, right? If you remove the word from here, it gets removed. That spoken word gets removed from here as well. Adobe Premiere Pro has added this feature where they'll be able to sense that there is a pause, and you can highlight, okay, show all the pauses, and you can remove all these pauses as well. So as you can see, text-based video editing adds an optional way of editing videos. So for the pro audience who are watching this video, they may not need it, but I think everybody can benefit, especially where videos have a lot of spoken content. So what I did was I searched for all the software that is there in the market in 2023 and created curated list of text-based video editing software that are worth considering. So this includes the like of Descript. That is one of the most comprehensive text-based video editing tools at the moment, and that basically popularized this concept of editing video like editing a doc. Then you have InVido, you have Capwing that I showed, you have Adobe Premiere Pro, and there are many more. I'll drop a link to this particular roundup in the description below. You can go and check it out. So I'll encourage you to go try out one of the tools and see it for yourself. So if you already have a podcast that you have recorded or a script, and you have that video file with you, upload it into one of these software, generate the transcript, edit through that, and compare that experience with how you used to do using a timeline based approach. That is it for now. I think there is a very promising future for the text based video editing workflow. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Happy video editing.